All right. So I turn on the camera. It's set up ISO 100. It's on aperture priority with f/22 as the aperture I've selected to give it maximum depth of field. So focus on, if I'm angling the kit this way, I want to focus on the turret because I want the front and the back in focus. If it's sideways like this, I'm still going to focus on the center part so that the front and the back are in focus. So let's go back to here, this picture. I'm going to frame it, a spot meter right about there. So I'm going to put the red dot. All right, ready to go. I put it back onto a manual focus once I've set the focus range on it, because I don't want it going in and out of focus when the light goes off and on. So I use automatic focus to focus it and then put it back to manual focus after I've done that. So I then turn off the lights. It's kind of dark now. A light from the window up top. So I start the timer countdown and turn this on. The light over and above it. So I move it around to reduce the shadows on the kit or to deliberately create shadows. Like I don't want the wheels, like the chassis part of the kit behind the wheels visible, so I keep that in the shadows. As you can tell, it's still exposing as I move the light hither, thither, and yon, kind of like in circles, waiting for the exposure to finish, and it just finished. So off, and that's it. Now the software part of the show comes into play.